What's up, everybody? Gonna start this video off here in the house because we got our pumpkin seeds in for this year. Gonna try and grow another giant pumpkin. Got some tested seeds this year, and so got them here in the package. I'll get you set up and we'll look at them together. Alright, so here's what we're working with this year. I have the 1673 Shortway from 2022 that I've ordered. I got 2 seeds in there, and it's a self-cross from a 2365 Wolf, and those are the 2 that I ordered. That's my main 2 that I was hoping to get to germinate hopefully here in the next couple days, and that we'll be planting this year and trying to get as big of a plant as we possibly can. And then with every order from the place I got these from, they send in a seed from, I believe it's the Connecticut Giant Pumpkin Growers Association, and they sent me this 1352 Cleveland, Miss Piggy there. So we're gonna go ahead in the next couple days get those to germinating. I haven't got my soil mixed up or anything yet, so that is on my next to-do list, but I just wanted to go ahead, kick this off, and show you what we're going to be working with the next couple days. So we'll get them in the dirt, and hopefully we can get one of these seeds get real big for us.